How to download and install Voicemod voice changer on your PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily download and install Voicemod. First thing you have to do is go to your search bar and simply search for Voicemod and hit enter. You'll find the first link right here on top, Voicemod. It's completely free real-time voice changer. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in order to download it, you'll find this big shiny download button for free for Windows and Mac OS. Click on it and it will automatically start downloading the installation file. Wait for a bit. Now you're just going to have to log into your account. So I'm going to continue with Google and select my Google account from here. Then you will be prompted to download the installation file. And once you run the installation file, it will start downloading the application. All right, so from here, the download has started. And as you can see here, you can click on download on verified file because sometimes Google Chrome won't let you download these kind of random files. And once the installer is downloaded, click on it to run the installer and wait for a bit. Now allow access, so click on yes. Select your language by default. Now this setup wizard will pop up on your screen. And just wait for a bit. Now click on next. Click on I accept. Tap on next again. Select where you want to download it. Tap on next. Now you can create a quick launch shortcut as well as a desktop shortcut. I'm not going to do either of these. Click on next again and then click on install. Now just wait for a bit. Wait for the installation to complete and you're good to go. That is it for this video, guys. Now you can start changing your voice from this application, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.